Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to pin post on Instagram. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases you're looking for how to pin post on your Instagram account. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple, but before that you need to check is your Instagram account is latest version or not. So if it is not, you need to update your Instagram account application, and then you will get these features. My Instagram application already up to today. So anyway, let me open my Instagram account and then let me share with you how you can pin 3 posts in your Instagram account. So I'm going to open my Instagram account, and then in this down in this profile icon, simply click over there, and now you will see all your tired posts you post in your Instagram account. Now if you decide to pin any post in your Instagram account, you can easily do that. For example, I open this picture and I would like to set this picture in pin in top. So what you have to do, you need to use this 3 dot and click here pin to your profile. Now if I go back, and then we'll see that picture is appear in top. For example, I am in this screen and I would like to add this picture in a pin in the top. So for that you have to click this 3 dot and then click here pin to your profile. You can see this picture is very down, but it's because of I made pin of top, so every time anyone is visit in my profile they will see those pin posts in the top. You can add up to 3 posts in pin in top. So within this simple way you can easily pin post in your Instagram account. If you decide to unpin, you can go open that and click this 3 dot, and you can click here unpin from your profile. So within this simple way you can easily pin post in your Instagram account. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.